I'm Megan with ONICON, and in this technical training, we'll learn how to update the pipe size for an ONICON Insertion Electromagnetic meter, the FT-3400. ONICON flow meters are custom calibrated to the pipe size specified when the meter is ordered. That means the pipe diameter programmed into the meter must match the actual pipe the meter is installed on. If the pipe size is incorrect, the meter will still measure velocity, but the calculated volumetric flow rate will be incorrect. For more information on how to properly measure your pipe outer diameter, please see ONICON's video library for more information and then come back to this video. Once the nominal pipe size is determined, verify that it matches the pipe data on the meter tag. If the nominal pipe size does not match your meter tag, no problem. Follow the steps in this video tutorial to quickly make the change. You will need the GUI software downloaded onto your computer, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a micro USB or a USB-C depending on the year of your FT-3400. If you have not yet done so, download ONICON's easy-to-use configuration software directly from our website. Navigate to www.onicon.com, to our Downloads tab, Network and Software Information, and select our General Utility Software. Once downloaded, open the zip folder and load the software. A pop-up may warn you of an unrecognized app. This can be bypassed by selecting More Info and Run Anyway. Now that the GUI software is properly installed on your computer, it's time to connect the meter. To do this, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the lid of the FT-3400. Once the lid is removed, connect your USB cable to the meter and to your computer. Proper connection can be validated by the green light illuminating near the USB. Once the meter is connected via USB, navigate to the Diagnostic GUI homepage and select Connect. Your device will then be detected and the attributes will begin to populate. With your meter connected, navigate to the Pipe Configuration tab, designated by the tape measure icon. Here, you will be able to see the current pipe size, material, and schedule. To update, simply click the drop-down arrow and select the correct size. Add your name to the name of person configuring, and then select Write Pipe Config to Meter. If done properly, you will notice the selected velocity table will update, and the gauge length in the top right corner will change. Document the new pipe size and gauge length on the meter tag for later. You can now navigate back to the Connect screen and disconnect the meter. Your meter now has the correct pipe size in its programming. All that's left is to adjust your depth gauge and meter. See ONICON's video library to give you a step-by-step guide to do this. For additional questions, please reach out to our technical support team. I'm Megan with ONICON. Thanks for watching.